Hello friends. Today in this video, we're going to talk about Stitch Fix, a personal styling subscription service website. Is this website legit or a scam? So let's get started. Stitch Fix aims to revolutionize how people find clothes they love by combining technology with a personal touch of stylists. They offer personalized clothing selections delivered to your door. If we talk about its Trustpilot reviews and score, then Stitch Fix has accumulated 7,636 reviews, holding a commendable 4.1 out of 5 stars. This indicates that while many customers have positive experiences, there's a segment facing challenges. Some users, like Ashley Johansson, expressed disappointment with quality, finding items pitiful compared to expectations. Carly highlights issues with short review windows and inconsistent stylus/sizing, disliking stylus fees if fewer than 5 items are kept. However, many, like Kelly, report many positive experiences and reasonable customer service, wishing for exchanges. Cybele praises great selection of seasonal clothes for reasonable prices and a consistent, effective stylist. The company details reveal their website is stitchfix.com. If we talk about its contacting details, then Stitch Fix can be reached via their website, stitchfix.com, which serves as their primary contact point. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Thank you.